If you want to enhance your iCloud security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your devices effectively. Step 1. Sign into iCloud. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name or the settings icon. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your devices. Step 3. View devices. Look for the section labeled Devices for My Devices. Here, you will see a list of all devices currently associated with your iCloud account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Click on the device you wish to remove. This will open a detailed view of the device, showing information such as its model and last access date. Step 5. Remove the device. Find the option to remove or sign out of the device. Confirm your choice when prompted to complete the removal process. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your iCloud security settings, ensuring your account remains secure.